Good morning, my dear students. I'm happy to meet you all once again for a video presentation like this. In this particular video presentation, we'll continue some more results related to set theory, okay, using Venn diagrammatic representation. Okay, just listen carefully. One such result goes like this: A union B whole dash is A dash intersection B dash. This is one of the De Morgan's laws. This is one of the De Morgan's laws. Okay, just listen carefully. What I will do is I'll just take 5 different diagrams. Okay, and let me explain. Okay, I'll take 5 different diagrams and let me just explain. This is diagram 1, this is diagram 2, this is anyway diagram 3, this is anyway diagram 4, this is anyway diagram 5, this is AB union, this is AB universal set, sorry, universal set, not union. This one, outside rectangle or square is called universal set, okay, and this is AB. The same order I should take in all the possible cases, okay. Now A union B, I'll shade everything. This is the representation of A union B. Now by A union B the whole dash, all the elements in U other than A union B, therefore I'll be shading a portion except the 2 circles. This is nothing but A union B the whole dash. Now let me try A dash. Here I mean to say I will shade all the portion except the circle A, except the circle A, and this is anyway B dash. I'll shade everything except the circle B, except the circle B, except circle B. This is called B dash. Now let me try A dash intersection B dash. Out of these two, the common elements I should think about, common portion I should think about. Here this is not shaded in both the places, shaded here but not here, shaded here but not here. Therefore the common shading is other than the 2 circles. Common shading is other than the 2 circles. Okay, now for what I will just do is comparing diagram 2 and diagram 5. We get, what do I get? A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Let me just explain. I need to prove A union B whole dash equal A dash intersection B dash using Venn diagram. I am supposed to use Venn diagram. I'll take 5 different diagrams. Diagram 1, I'll mark AB universal set, 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 same order in all the cases. Otherwise, it won't be meaningful. First diagram tells you A union B, I'll be shading both the circles. Second diagram tells you A union B whole dash, other than the 2 circles, I'll be shading everything. Okay, all the elements in U other than A union B. Okay, then A dash, other than circle A, I'll shade everything. Other than circle B, I'll be shade everything, that is B dash. The common elements of these two will be, common portion of these two will be the last diagram. Okay, therefore not shaded here in both the places, shaded here but not here, shaded here but not here. Only the portion outside the 2 circles are shaded in both the places. Therefore this is A dash intersection B dash. For comparing diagram 2 and 5, I have the common shading. They both will be equal if and only if they have the common shading. Therefore I come to the conclusion A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Okay, therefore this is how we get the proof using Venn diagram. This is how we get the proof using Venn diagram. Okay, let me think about another proof. Let me just think about another proof. Here what we do is, we try A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay, A intersection B the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. This is also called another De Morgan's law. Similar way, I'll take 5 different diagrams. Okay, I will take 5 different diagrams. Okay, I will just think about 5 different diagrams. Okay, I'll take AB universal set, AB universal set, AB universal set in all the cases uniformly. I should not change. Okay, this is my diagram 1, this is my diagram 2, this is my diagram 3, this is my diagram 4, this is my diagram 5. This is A intersection B. I should just draw the common portion. This is A intersection B the whole dash. Other than the common portion, I'll be shading everything except the common portion. Except the common portion to both the circles, I'll shade the rest. Now here I'll be shading A, other A dash, shading A dash, sorry. Other than A, I'll be shading everything. Okay, other than A, I'll be shading everything. Except circle A, I'll be shading everything. Here, this is B dash. Except B, I'll be shading everything. Except B, I'll be shading everything. Okay, while you think about union, if it is there in one of them, it will be there in both. Therefore, other than the common portion, everything will be shaded. That is the real meaning of union. If it is there in one of them, it will be there in both. Therefore, comparing diagram 2 and diagram 5, you have the common shading. Therefore, I come across A intersection B dash is equal to A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash. Let me just explain. I'll take 5 different diagrams. I'll take AB universal set, AB universal set, AB universal set, AB universal set, AB universal, uniformly the same in all the 5 cases. Diagram 1, it is A intersection B, the common portion between the 2 circles. A intersection B whole dash, other than the common portion, everything will be shaded. Other than A, everything will be shaded. That is my diagram 3. This is A dash. This is A dash. Okay. Now, other than circle B, I'll be shading everything. That is B dash. Now, while you think about union, if it is there in one of them, it will be there in the union. Therefore, it is not here, but here anyway it will be included. Not here, but here it will be included. But it is not there. The middle portion is not there in both the cases. Therefore, except the common area, everything will be shaded. Therefore, compare diagram 2 and diagram 5. I get a common shading. Therefore, this is A intersection B whole dash. This is A dash union B dash. Therefore, they both are equal. Therefore, I automatically come across A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. This is how we get the proof of 2 of the De Morgan's laws. One is A union B whole dash is A dash intersection B dash. Second one is A intersection B whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. You can even express in wordings. Complement of union of 2 sets equal to intersection of individual complements, and a complement of intersection of 2 sets equal to union of individual complements. That is what it means. The rest we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you students for patient watching.